Buying a used car can save you a lot of money, but only if you know what you're looking for. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to check a used car before you buy it, step by step, like a professional mechanic. From the body and tires to the engine and paperwork, we'll cover everything you need to know. Start with a full walk around of the car. Look for dents, scratches, or mismatched paint. These could indicate past accidents. Check the panel gaps. Uneven spacing can be a sign of poor repair work. Don't forget the headlights and taillights. Make sure they're clear and working. Tires tell you a lot about how the car's been driven. Uneven tire wear could mean bad alignment or suspension issues. Push down each corner of the car. It should bounce once and settle. If it keeps bouncing, the shocks might be worn out. Now, let's pop the hood. Start by checking for oil leaks or corrosion. Pull the dipstick. The oil should be clean and not milky. Check the coolant color. It should be green, red, or orange, not rusty or brown. Inspect the battery for corrosion and look for loose wires. Now start the car and listen carefully. The engine should start smoothly with no knocking, ticking, or rattling sounds. Look at the exhaust. Blue smoke means it's burning oil. White smoke means coolant issues. Let it idle and check for vibrations. A test drive is the real test. Pay attention to how the steering feels. No pulling to one side. Brakes should be smooth, not spongy or noisy. Shift through all gears and test acceleration. Turn off the radio and listen. Any weird noises could mean trouble. Before you hand over any cash, check the paperwork. Make sure the VIN on the car matches the registration and title. Ask for service records. Oil changes, maintenance, and repairs should be documented. Run a vehicle history report to check for accidents, mileage rollback, or outstanding loans. Now that you've checked everything, decide if the price matches the car's condition. Use what you found during inspection to negotiate. Remember, never rush. There are always other cars out there. And that's how you inspect a used car before buying it, like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and share this video with anyone looking to buy a used car. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and smart.